Today we will speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exceeded account on the application of WhatsApp. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. And then here if you find updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.